In this video we will look at weather integrations in Home Assistant. Home Assistant integrates with a number of weather services, both commercial and public. This can be used to display the forecast on the dashboard. Weather data can also be used to trigger automations, for instance ensuring heating is turned off or low if a warm day is upcoming. We will cover configuration of 4 of the most popular services: AccuWeather, Éireann, Met Office and OpenWeather. Home Assistant comes with a built-in weather integration from Met.no, the Norwegian Meteorological Institute. You can find this on the default Home Assistant dashboard. This will operate as the default weather source. If you click on the dashboard card, various entities will be displayed. All of the weather integrations can be found on the weather section of the Home Assistant Integrations website. At the latest counts, there are 32 services available. We'll now add AccuWeather. This is one of the most popular weather services which operates worldwide. To use this, we need to set up an API so that Home Assistant can call this service. From the Home Assistant Weather Integration page, click AccuWeather. Then click on the AccuWeather APIs page. This brings you to a sign-up page for the AccuWeather API. Click Sign Up and fill in the Register a New User form. Once completed, click the Create New Account button. A verification email will be sent to you. Click on the link in the email to verify and complete your registration. Once verified and signed into AccuWeather, click the My Apps tab. Once there, click Add a New App. Give the app a name. The product is Core Weather Limited Trial. Minutecast is none. Where will the API be used is Other, and it's an internal app. The language is Python. Select Business to Business and Worldwide. Click Create App. Once the API key has been generated, click on the name of the API and copy the API key shown. To test the API, use the link on the Home Assistant integration page and then click Current Conditions for Top Cities. Change the group to 50, then paste the API key in. Click Send this request. If you get a response beginning with http:/1.1 OK in green, then your API key is working. To add the integration to Home Assistant, from the integration page you can either use the Add Integration button or use the manual configuration steps. Go to Settings, then Devices and Services. Click Add Integration and search for AccuWeather. Paste in the API key. The latitude and longitude will be set according to the Home Assistant settings. Click Submit. Then click Finish. AccuWeather is now set up. You can click on the device link and see what is reported. A card is also added to the overview dashboard, which you can also click on. We'll now add the Met.Éireann integration, which covers Ireland, the UK and northern France. This is easier as it uses a public API. To add this, go to the integration screen and click Add Integration. Search for Met.Éireann and click it. Click Submit, then Finish. Again, this will show on the integration screen and is clickable. This also adds a card to the overview dashboard. We will now add the Met Office, which has a focus on the UK and surrounding countries. You need to register for an API. Use the link on the screen, from the integration link, or from the description below. Fill in your details, then click Register. You'll receive an email with login instructions. After performing this, use the link in the integration screen or in the description below to retrieve your API key. Once logged in, copy the application key at the bottom of the screen. Go to Home Assistant, Settings, Devices and Services and click Add Integration. Search for Met Office. Paste in the application key and click Submit. Then Finish. The link shows what is reported. It also adds another card to your overview dashboard. Finally, we'll look at OpenWeatherMap. This is worldwide and primarily uses crowdsourced data for weather information. To get an API key, use the link on the integration page or in the description below. Complete your details, then click Create Account. Click Save. You'll be sent a confirmation link to your email. Confirm the account. To get the OpenWeather API key, log in, click on your account name, select My API Keys and copy the key. Go back to Home Assistant, click Settings, Devices and Services, then click Add Integration. Find OpenWeatherMap. Click it. Paste in the API key. Click Submit. You may get an invalid API key error, as it can take from 10 minutes to 2 hours to activate the API key. Simply try again later if you get this issue. Again, you can click on the link to see what is reported, and another card will be added to your overview dashboard. The 4 integrations shown are only a small number of what is available. As you can see, each of these report differing levels of detail. At the time of making this video, there were 32 integrations available, many localised or linked to weather station equipment. Using the information provided, you can use this to trigger automations, for instance not triggering the heating overnight if it's going to be a mild day tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at my Patreon. The details are below.